you a tour because some of you have been shopping in my online store and have never been here. So here we go. This is what it would be like if you came to Montreal on a destination vacation to come to the magical world of my colorful clothes. Right now it's the fall collection. We have yoga jeans in the front that are all made in Quebec. I really believe in supporting local products for environmental reasons as well as ethical reasons. But I also believe in beautiful natural fibers and organic collections, so I mix my collection with a few other collections. Here we have a wall of purple, some beautiful accessories. A lot of the clothes are made with my prints that I illustrate and have printed here in Montreal, Canada. Mixed into my collection is the beautiful line called IFCO. In the summer their things are in cotton, and in the fall it's wool, which is perfect for our cold Canadian climate. Before I started illustrating prints, I used to be known for my picturesque applique work, things that no other seamstress would ever dare to do. Because if you've ever tried to do something like this, you know how much work it is. Every bird is hand cut, pinned into place to make their little relationships look perfect, and then sewn down one at a time. Every little foot is stitched, and the wires as well. There's always lots of colors. No colors are not allowed in this store, which means all colors are allowed in this store. And I try to weave in the in-between tones as well, so the purples and the greens and the cinnamony oranges, instead of just the basic red, navy, and black that you see everywhere else. We have lots of accessories and jewelry and treasures, but what I'm going to show you now is where the magic happens. Come through. Behind this door is where I like to work the most. The main place that I am at is at the cutting table. I get to pin and cut and organize my thoughts. I have my inspiration on this wall, which is also just a workplace for things that are in the progress of being produced. We make it all here. We cut it, we sew it, we embellish it, we top stitch it, and we love it. All right here. Here's a pile of freshly cut little birdies and some appliques in development for the spring collection. This is a new creation that'll be coming out next year as well. And around here we have 6 machines and 1 very hot iron. Sometimes there are 5 people working here and only 1 in the store. It's a real hub of activity. So that's it. That's how we do it. For real. We make it for you. With our hands and our little machines. And sometimes people say that the clothes are a little bit expensive, but they've never said that it wasn't worth it. And I still have customers coming back with a piece that's 10 years old that looks brand new. I can't promise that for everything, but I can promise that for almost everything. Okay, bye.